Okay, time is 10:46. No, I will not allow anymore to for you to pass your assignment if I'll start discussing the assignment, okay? Okay, so this is your long division and this is your synthetic division. So if you see here, the remainder is 78, no? And that 78 will be used here over x minus 2. X minus 2 is coming from your divisor. This is your dividend. Okay, quotient is here. From 5x cubed up to 34. Okay, any question? I want this complete. Okay, be honest. Okay, I saw some of you do not know how to actually deal with this one, no? Okay, so again, if you are here, it's minus, and this one is coming from this one, no? You multiply this one at a time, this one. And then you're going to actually change the signs, the 1 inside the parentheses, it becomes a negative 5x raised to the 4 and a plus 10x cubed before you proceed adding them. That is why, no? If there is an operation that is so fascinating when we deal with polynomials, when we deal polynomials, it's division. Why everything is there, no? You are to divide, you are to multiply, you are to subtract, and then you are to add. Everything will be there, no? All operations are there for division. Did you get me? Okay, nandyan lahat. So you recall, no? Okay. Saan ang start dito? Division? Charles. Sige. Pag magdi-divide ka ng synthetic, saan ka magsisimula? Simula ba ako x over x divided by 5x raised to the fourth, or it's the other way around? Charles? Long division. I'm talking about long division. I would like to help Charles. We're not wasting our time here, no? I think, um, see, email help Charles. Okay, volunteers. Sige, thank you, email. A girls this time, no? Okay, who wants to help? Okay, maybe it's,
Sir, ako po.
sige, Aliyah.
So yung first step po is yung x, yung divisor po na x. I-divide mo po siya sa 5x4. And then yung sagot po nun, ilalagay mo sa taas, which is yung 5x cube po.
Very good. That's the first step, no? By the way, which one is given, no? Your dividend, this one is dividend. And divisor is given. So sabi ni Aliyah, 5x to the fourth divided by x, no? X of the divisor, x minus 2, not x minus 2. Hello, baka mahilo na kayo nun, no? So 5x raised to the 4 divided by the x of the x minus 2, the divisor, no? Okay, and then next. Sige, Aliyah, sunod. And then,
Sir, itutuloy ko po.
sige, pakituloy po.
And then, sunod po na gagawin, ita-times naman po yung -2 dun po sa yung divisor po, dun sa 5x cube. Tapos kapag na-times na po natin, ang magiging sagot po is -10 cube. And then,
What
ilalagay
about
na po
this?
natin yan. Magiging 0 po yan.
Ito,
Ika-cancel
ito,
po
ito po,
natin.
ito. What about this?
Po. Yung para po makuha yun, ita-times mo po yung x at saka yung 5x cube. So, magiging 5x 4 po siya raised to
And
4.
then next.
And then next po, yung -2, imo-multiply mo po sa 5x cube and then magiging -10x cube po yung sagot niya.
Next.
Next po is ima-minus mo po yung equation na yan dun sa 5x4 plus
This is not an
0x2.
equation, huh? This is
Ay,
expression only,
yung
okay?
expression po pala. Yung expression po dun sa
Ano?
ano po sa taas. Yung expression po dun sa taas, yung 5x4 po sa
And then,
5x4 plus 0x3.
after
And then,
subtraction,
after
addition, no?
subtraction po, opo, addition, which
Proceed
is
to
magiging,
addition.
opo, and then magiging 10x cube po yung sagot since may isa-subtract po natin. Tapos, ang sunod po na
Okay,
mangyayari
hold on
ay,
lang, no? Let me clarify this, no? Once and for all. I will not proceed. We will not proceed anymore here, no? Okay. Because it's really buying time and wasting time, no? Okay. So before Aliyah ends her statements, it will be like this, no? So subtract this from here, no? From top. How? So when you subtract, actually, you change the sign of the ones inside the parentheses, the signs, no? This 5x raised to the fourth becomes a minus. That is why when you proceed to addition now, going down, you add these two. This is a positive, this is a negative now. Okay, so that's 0. If you add this one, this becomes a positive, no? Okay, you change everything, no? The two terms, this term and this term, a negative and a positive. They will become negative and a positive. That's why if you add this one, it's not a negative 10x cube. Are you listening? Okay, so remember that, okay? If you do not want that parenthesis there, it's okay, no? And then after having this, bring this down before dividing this to this again, no? It's a repeat cycle. Cycle. Am I right, Aliyah? So before dividing 10x cube, it will give you this. Bring this down first. Okay, then you have two terms. 10x cube lang ang i-divide sa x. And then you have 10x squared. And then boomerang, multiply again to those two terms here. It will give you this, no? Inside. And then subtract. It says there. And then change the sign. This one is what? If you see this, they are the same, no? How can you cancel that if this one is not a negative, no? So this one is cancelled because the sign of the sign, no? You change that. We'll change this. It's not negative 17x squared, mind you guys, no? This is now positive. You add the 2, 17x squared, and so on and so forth until we have this one. That's the cycle of that. If you hate it, then you have uh, if you hate recalling all the processes there, the cycle there, because it's just repeated over and over, and you have a problem because this lesson is basically a practicum, no? Okay, you don't uh, just guess, no? Which one? A or B? It's not that, no? Okay, so it hounds you that this is grade 8. Okay, so if you notice also, for those who are studying in advance, no? Others do not have this. It's wrong, no? There's no 0. Okay, it's wrong. Those who are studying in advance inserted 0 here. Now, why? Because originally the dividend is 5x raised to the fourth minus 3x squared plus 10, no? Notice the terms missing there. That's why I gave you hint, no? Okay, if there are missing terms there, this should be arranged, no? It is arranged, but there is a missing term that is x cubed multiplied by 0 because it's 0, no? So we need this. Why do we need this? Check this one, no? If those ones O or 0x cubed and 0x were not there, then this process will not be complete, no? This one, no? See also the pattern. It's 5, 10, 17, 34. It's 5, 10, 17, 34. No? There's a pattern there. If this is not complete, maybe you're be questioning yourself. No? If 0 is not here, 0 is not there, 5, negative 3, 10, or what? Okay? You will not really have this, no, as constants for this, no? Please, no? Be logical. Okay? Check. These ones will be your constants for your answers, the quotient and the remainder, no? If you do not have 0, 0 there, you see, if you are logical, no? You cannot have these constants here, plus that remainder 78 there. Did you get me? This one is easy, no? Again, for those who are absent and not listening, yesterday, bring down to 5. 5 times 2, it's 10. Add, and then 10 times 2, it's 20. Add, so on and so forth. Okay, if your answer is complete, give yourself 10. If not, it's up to you, no? Okay, be logical and be reasonable about giving your grades out of 10. Okay, if your answer is like this, you do not want the parentheses, just multiply this one and that one, and then mentally you can say this will be changed into a negative, this will be changed into positive, add, it's okay, no? Walang parentheses. Okay, but mentally you're changing the signs of these ones, not these ones. Nakuha. Okay, so go to your messenger if you sent that assignment and then give yourself 10 if you deserve 10. Okay, and for my easy recording, let's use this. Can you fill this up and then I'll record right away. Ay, sorry. Parang nawala. And divide it by a what? It is a binomial that is a linear, no? Okay, is 2x minus 1 a linear? Yes, it is, no? Although there is 2 there, no? Naintindihan? Okay, sige. Pero paano niyo malalaman kung ano yung x diyan, no? So, a diyan. So, just equate it to 0, no? And then, cut up, no? Sige, tanggalin ko to. So, ang gagawin nyo, transpose 1, a negative 1, and it becomes, of course, it's 1, no? And then, wala na ito. Okay, divide, yan yun na yung divide the two, both left and right, by 2, no? 2x over 2 and 1 over 2. So, x finally is equal to 1 half. Okay? Ay, ano ba yung sinasabi ko dito? Actually, x is equal to a, no? With this case, no? We believe x minus a. Okay, nakuha? Okay, so for this one, your a value is also your x value. Intindihan ba sinabi ko? Okay, so if your divisor is 2x minus 1 for this polynomial, and then your a should be what? Operate 2x minus 1 of divisor. Okay, equate it to 0. And then transpose negative 1, it becomes 1. Both sides divided by 2. And then your x, it's 1 half. And your x is the value for your a, no? Remember that. For this one, x is 1 half, but we're not really dealing with what? Decimal, ha? Okay, hindi pwede ang decimal. Mali ito. Okay? Okay. So we are dealing with um, we call that one the proper fraction, or 1/2 is proper fraction, okay? So I'll get the constants of this dividend. It's 4, -3, and -7. No, there's no missing. Raised to 2, raised to 1, and then a constant. 4, -3. There's no need to insert any zero here. Am I right? Okay, sige. Okay, we do first our synthetic, no? And then, okay, sige. 4, bring down 4. But what is 4 times 1/2? It's 2, right? 4 over 2, it's 2. And then you add, it's -1. What is -1 times 1/2? Obviously, it's -1/2. But what is -1/2 when you actually, what do you call this one? Add the 2, no? Okay. Ang gagawin niyo po, 2 times 7, it's -14, no? And then, use the 2. By the way, you are expressing your -7 terms of a denominator that is 2. That's why 2 times 7, ito po ay magiging pwedeng alin, no? Ayan, yung -7 niyo diyan pwedeng magiging 14 over 2, no? So, -14 over 2. Okay, yan siya. Yan siya, no? Tama ba si Sir Romel? Okay, this is -7. That is -7 there. Your -7 is actually -14 over 2. And then, why am I changing the denominator? Why? Because I cannot add naman -7 and 1/2 negative, no? So I'm changing -7 into -14 over 2. How is that again? 7 times 2, it's 14. 7 times 2, the whole number -7 times 2,
Huh?
the denominator. Ano ka? And then, over 2. Okay? Magkakaintindihan. Sino nag-add dyan? Okay, and then you can add this. It's -15 over 2. And then, what else? Now I have my quotient, and this is my remainder, no? -15 over 2. This is why if you have that in the long division, ito ang mangyayari sa inyo, no? Okay. But take note, no, I'm not using 4x minus 1. Okay? Why? Because the final answer as your quotient and remainder is this one, no? We're going to actually divide 4 by 2 coming from here, no? The denominator. 4 divided by 2, it's 2. -1/2 divided by 2, it's a -1/2. This is your final quotient and the remainder for this one. Pag ito po ang ginamit niyo ito, hindi po siya aakma, no? Try this, no? This one. There's problem already, no? If you use this, and then you will have problem. Try it, no? 12:30 na tayo. Okay? Again, if you have this as your quotient and remainder from your synthetic, divide it by 2, the denominator from this A, no? And then this is your final answer, not this one. Why? Because if you use this in your long division, this one is a wreck. No, totally it's a mess. Try it out. If you use this as your final answer for this long division, and then this is smooth, no? You can have it correct way. Did you get me? Sige, screenshot kayo. Okay, so it's not easy, huh?
Huh?
Okay. Sino yung parang nananadya dyan, no? Okay, pag nahuli kita at nakita kita sa screen ko because I'm using the iPhone, sorry, ha? Okay, sige. Pag initang kita, kasi pinag-iinitan mo si Sir Romel. Okay, let's go here. Uh, ito tayo sa textbook niya. Go to the textbook and find this out, no? In the milestones. Pa dyan, sapakin kita dyan eh. Parang face to face na, baka gusto na kitang masapak, no? Bastos ka. Sige pa, isa na lang, no? Yung bastos na to. Kung hindi mo maintindihan yung lesson, pumikit ka na lang, no? Better yet, log out. Visit na to. Okay, can you check this in the milestones? It's 2x raised to the fourth negative or minus x cubed plus 9x squared plus 4. And it's divided by x squared plus 4. Can you use your synthetic division in here? Open your mic if you want to earn points. Can we use the synthetic division in that case? I think this is number 4 for milestones, letter A, no? Sige, subukan mo lang mag-A ulit dyan. Buisit ka. Bigyan natin 70 ka agad, no? Quarter 2 mo. Tingnan natin, no? Can we use synthetic division here? Why or why not? Open your mic. Again, it says their synthetic division is the shortest way, no? To answer your polynomials if it involves the division, no? But you are dividing only a polynomial divided by a polynomial that is a linear. Okay, linear. When I say linear, divisor must be what? The degree of the divisor must be what? X raised to 1, the high. Yes, it's linear, no? So for this case, what do you observe, anyone? Parang di tayo nagkakaintindihan, no? Achievers, where are you? Can we use synthetic? Yes or no? Saan yung mga dyan? Sagutin mo to. If you divide this polynomial dividend to the divisor there, can we use synthetic division? Sige, chatbox kayo. Takot? Ayaw nyo ng points. Sige. Ako lang sasagot sa sarili kong tanong. No. Why? Because the divisor, you check the divisor, it's not a linear expression. No, it's x squared plus 4. That is a quadratic. Okay, that is why you cannot use this, no? If you use that, good luck, no? You're a mathematician. But we do not use this one solely. This can be solved as long division alone, no? Okay, so try this one. Your answer must be 2x squared minus x plus 1 plus 4x squared over the divisor x squared plus 4, no? 4x, no? Sige. Kung gusto nyo yung screenshot yan, screenshot nyo. That's how it is done, no? It is tedious, no? It's very detailed. If you do not know how to do it, you will have a problem. Okay? Okay, so another assignment or drill must be, I have, saan nga ba? Wait lang. Thumbs up yourself if naintindihan niyo sinasabi ko doon, why synthetic division is not useful or you cannot use synthetic division. Naintindihan niyo ba yung sinabi ko kanina? Okay, x squared plus 4 is not a linear, it is a quadratic. Okay, there is a condition here in using your synthetic division, no? Your divisor must be in the form x minus a. Sige, nakaintindihan tayo, ha? Okay, go to your skill builder. The first skill builder in the lesson 1, it's letter A. Okay, I give you 30 seconds to solve that remainder. Okay? Okay, sige. Use your chat box. If you have the remainder, type it, no? It's letter B. You are going to actually get the remainder. Go. 30 seconds starts now. 29, 7, 26, 25, 3, 22. Skill builder, letter A, no? Skill builder. First skill builder, letter B, rather, no? Ten seconds. Okay. First two to answer there in the chat box. What is your answer? Let's see the chat box. Okay, and the fate says it's 4. The remainder is 4. Are we in the same pictures? I said it's the first skill builder, it's letter B, no? Okay, hindi ko lang kasi ma-access yung Genio ko eh. Parang ewan. Okay, any other answer? Be attentive this time, no? Your lesson is not easy. Tapos yung, okay, kakatuwa lang tong Genio, no? Parang virus na. Okay, any other answer? 30 seconds lang yun. Why? Because you are just using the synthetic division. No? Ganun lang siya kabilis. Okay? Okay, I think this is the letter B I'm asking. Okay, find the remainder of 2x raised to 4 plus 5x cubed. Am I correct? And then minus 15x or minus 45x minus 27x with the divisor x plus 1. Okay? I cannot access my Genio. Okay, and then what is the remainder? This one is the one in the end, no? Okay, ito po siya. Iyan po yung sagot. Sandali lang. Okay, bakit 4? Sir, can I change my answer po? Oh, 0 na nga. Ako na lang sabi, 0 na, no? 70 diag. Okay, sandali lang po ha. Are we in the same picture? I cannot open kasi my textbook. Plus baka nagsasalita ako dito, wala akong presentation ha, kanina ha. Nako, sinasabi ko sa inyo, magsalita kayo dyan, no? Feeling ko wala akong presentation kanina. Bahala kayo. Tapos may nangiinis pa sa inyo, ha? Bastos. Okay, go there, Yuka. Go right away to page 57, 58, or 61 rather, no? Okay, the textbook. Make it fast. It's 4 minutes na lang po. Prepare for long quiz tomorrow. If 61. Okay, so responsive is diag, no? Katakutan and OC. Very good. Okay, sige. Can you make it big? I cannot see it. Sige, make it big pa po. The ones who do not have the textbook, open your Genyo. Kung tamad kayo, wala. Sige. So what is the remainder when, okay, yun nga yun, no? X plus 1 will be divided from the 2x raised to the fourth plus and blah blah, no? So that's the first skill builder there, no? Tama ka ba, Yuka, sa pag-search? It's letter B. And the answer of OZ is 4. Likewise, Ano Faith. Sir, can I change my answer? 30 seconds lang. Why 30 seconds? Why? Because synthetic division is the solution for it, no? 70 according to Diag. No, it's not. No, it's 0. There's no remainder. Okay? Thank you, Yuka. Ako yung magpe-present. Thank you, Yuka. Okay, am I correct that there is no remainder? It must be 0. Why? Okay, this is the way it should be done, no? Okay, though our lesson is with that long division parallel course, no? It's useless to have this as your solution. 30 seconds nga lang eh. So long division is not useful. Synthetic division, but you're looking for the remainder that is 0 only, no? Again, these are the quotients. This is the one, okay, sorry, the constant that seems to be the last there is your remainder, mind you guys, okay? Again, long quiz tomorrow. If you have your synthetic there, this one, 1229 na, these are your quotients, no? QX. This is your RX, the remainder, no? Nakuha. So again, this is your PX, that is your dividend. Ito po siya. And this is your divider that must be a linear x minus 1 form, no? But why is this one negative 1? Okay, maybe this one is the one that confused you, negative 1. Okay, x minus 1. X minus a and then x plus 1 is there, no? So what do you notice? If it's plus, your a value will be negative, no? If it's minus, okay, like the ones that we have had, if it's a minus, it's a positive 5, no? Okay, take note of that, no? Nothing to solve about, but it's a pattern, no? If it's x minus 5, the one that makes x minus 5 a 0, it's a 5, no? It's a 5. Ganun lang siya. That's how you think of it. No, again, what makes x plus 1 a 0 value? Of course, x value must be a negative 1, no? That's why this a is negative 1. Remember, a and x are the same. Okay, sige, naintindihan. So, knowing that this is 1. If that is 1, it's incorrect, no? Kuha. Okay. So, this is very important, the value of your letter A, no? If you forgot about this one, then even if you use your synthetic division, wrong. Did you get me? Okay. And then lastly, 1231. Ano pa ba yun? Medyo mahina ang internet ko. So, okay na po ito, ha? Okay, dapat na-screenshot nyo na ito. And then this one. Okay, below will not work, no? So, paki-screenshot yan. Okay, when you are asked about the remainder, do it as fast as you could using synthetic, but be careful on the divisor. Value for letter A, express this one again. What makes the divisor or the linear expression as 0, the value of x there must be helping you, no? Negative 1 plus 1 is a 0. Therefore, the value of x is negative 1, and so is your letter A. It's negative 1. Okay, that's it. Okay, can you go back again to that Genio textbook? Meron akong i-highlight. Yuka. Sige, ikaw Yuka. 12:32. Allow me to extend, no? Long quiz tomorrow, including the quartic, no? Yung quartic, yung sinasabi kong cubic, from constant. Okay, what is the degree of those? And then if I do have three terms, it's a trinomial. But what if it's raised to x, to 2? That is a quadratic trinomial, no? Tama. Quadratic naman is can be written in three terms. Okay, make it big, Yuka. Make it big so others can see. Go to 57 right away. Sinasabi ko sa inyo na yung screen nyo, no? Make your screen the minimum. Wala kayong pakialam sa ibang tao, no? Makikita nyo dyan, 6 lang kayo. Okay, wala kayong pakialam kundi yung textbook lang ni Sir Roman. Go down. Okay, go down. Okay, go down. Read everything there. The scope, no? Read also snapshot. Excuse me, wait lang. And then the univariate, multivariate. Okay, how many variables are we talking about, no? If we say it's multivariate and univariate, and who is this guy who invented that, ang tawag yan? Synthetic division. Go down. Okay, stop there. Now you know, no, what are the meaning of those acronyms there, PX, DX, QX, and RX, no? Intindihan? Okay, so DX, if it's a long division, it refers to the divisor, no? Then, bakit sa times Q? Of course, no? Your divisor times your quotient is your dividend, no? Remember that. Nakuha? Okay. Kaya nga division eh. Dividend divided by your divisor, it's your quotient. But have it in the opposite way. You multiply your quotient times your divisor, it gives you your dividend, no? And sometimes your quotient is written with a plus your remainder, no? Take note of that. Okay, go down. Okay, this one, you must know that, no? Go down. Sige lang. Go down. Oops. Okay, this is very important. Sige lang. Go down. Again. Go up. Okay. This one class, no, yung x plus 1 plus, we are in the quotient and the remainder. Take note of that, no? I've been telling you the polynomial operation there, it's by default, it's plus, no? A plus, if you are seeing a minus there, it means to say that the sign is a negative, a plus and a negative, no? So for this case, it's x plus 1 plus a negative, no? Over x minus 2, negative 8 over x minus 2. Or it can be written as, okay, disregarding the plus as your operation, and then you go all the way from minus 8 over x minus 2. they are the same, huh? Okay, take note of that. Okay, when you are writing the quotient and your remainder. Okay? Okay, yun lang yung gusto ko idagdag. So factors there are your dx, that is your divisor, and the quotient. Okay? If there is no remainder existing, you can say, no, it's like 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 2 times 2, or 2 and 2 are the factors of 4. Did you get it? But there is no remainder. Okay? Pag may remainder, you cannot call that uh, part of the factors, or the factors is the quotient and the remainder. Kung may remainder, hindi matatawag na factors. Okay, go down. Last, 37. Kung ayaw nyo ng math, log out na kayo. Okay, it's the same with that one, no? Okay, it can be written as, okay, a minus right away, disregarding the sign. But of course, you have to have uh, your signs there change if you want your plus becomes a minus, no? Everything will be changed. Why? Well, you recall your math, no? That's it. Ready for long quiz tomorrow. Bye. That's it for now. Bye-bye. Kumanda ka sa akin, ha? Yung disrespectful, diba? Sige. That's it. Thank you. That's it. Pwede na kayong mag-log out. You can leave.